So first, let's learn the exploitation. So first is sensitive data exposure. So how we can do this on an application? So this is the lab. Starting the lab. It will take some time. Okay. So let's click on clothing. See, this is the query. So I want to fetch there. See, what is our methodology? We already learned this. Finding the injection point. So we find out, okay, maybe application is using their connecting with the database through this query. Means because see, application is fetching the clothing, shoes, and accessories from the backend. So we can fetch there. And next, after that, we need to like use the single quote, double quote, and backslash. Let's try that. Okay. So let's use the single quotation and see like if application give the error. See, there is an error. After error, we need to fix that. So for fixing, okay, again and again this. See, for fixing, what we can use this single quotation hyphen hyphen space hyphen. And if this not work, then we will use double quotation. See, we will use this, and if this not work, then we will use hyphen hyphen space this, and if this not work, then we will use this, because we don't know what application using in the backend. This, and we can try this, and other than that, if that is also not working, we can try this. Okay, so we can go one by one. So this is the application. So I will use hyphen hyphen space hyphen. Let's try this. See, our query is fixed. See, we are not getting error now. Means our query is fixed. And let's check out. Like I think they given us error query. See, this is the query. Okay, very good. They given us the query. So let's check out how things are working. See, this is the query, and this is see. Select star from the products where category gifts and release one. So what is the meaning of this query? So we are fetching the item from their gift, and release equals to 1 means they are using a kind of true false condition. Release 1 means all the product which are released, and other release 0 means all the product which are not released. See, let's say if you are using Amazon, so do not think like everything visible you like they like see everything you are visible, all product they are released project. If they are releasing new thing, then that is false in this situation. See, and same thing on the let's say YouTube. Like I have some private things like private video, and some are like public video. So private is for 1, and for like private for private 0, and public is 1. Means I public them, they are released video, and if I releasing after some time, they are like private, so they are 0. So it's a true false condition. See, so only released products are visible there. See, only 1, 2, 3, 4 product are visible in this situation. So this is the query. So how we can exploit this? And what we did, we put a single quote there, and we fix this hyphen hyphen space. Means this part is commented out. Now we can try the bug there. So what we can do, I want to fetch everything, and according to we learned from our previous how we can fetch everything. See, we are fetching something there. See, same query. Let's do there. Let's start from summer batch where ID equals to 200. Okay, we missed something. We are getting this. Okay, select start from summer batch. where ID. See, we are fetching one result. So what if we want to everything? So what we can add there? Like I can just currently we are fetching only ID to 100 user. So I can add a query. Like see this type of query. Like I can add 200. What happening today? Typing is not going well today. 200 single quotation, and I will add or 1 equals to 1, and after that hyphen hyphen fix. Okay, so what happened because of this? See, I am getting the result this, and or equals to 1. This is always true. We already learned this in the previous session. This is always true means we are getting everything from that. So we can use this query, and I will show you. See, let's say if I put or 1 equals to 1. So this is always a true query. Because of that, we will fetch everything. See, we are fetching all the details. So we can do same thing here. So what we will try? Or 1 equals to 1. And see, we will write the query between this single quotation and this fixing. And how this query goes into the backend. If you want to see, this is the exact query. Let's copy and you will understand. This query goes into the backend there. Paste, and see this is the query. So this part is commented out. Okay, this is commented out, and up to this is fetching this, and or equals to 1. This is always true. Because of that, we will fetch everything, release product and unreleased product also. So let's do this. See, we are fetching, last time we are fetching only 4 products. Now we are fetching, see how many products. So these products are unreleased, but because of SQL injection we are fetching them.